Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital DIY. I'm Luna and I'm thrilled to have you here for today's video. But before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Now let's jump right into it. For today's video, I'll show how to edit this photo. The first thing I always do is adjust the temperature to a level that I like. As the photo was taken on a sunny day, I'll make it a bit warmer. Then I'll increase the exposure to make the subject brighter and add a bit of contrast. Now, what I'd like to see in this photo is more sunshine, so I'll increase the highlights then. I'll enhance the shadows to make the left side of the man, which is in shadow, more visible. Speed by increasing exposure and shadow, you lose some of the black point. So let's decrease the blacks to make them darker. I only use texture for landscape photos, so I'll skip it for this photo. I usually add a bit of clarity and a bit of dehaze to make my subject pop. Then I add a bit of vibrance to make the colors more vivid. I don't use the tone curve for this photo and go to the next step, which is the color mixer. Here you can adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance of the main colors separately. Now I want to make the reds more reddish, so I'll reduce the hue and increase the saturation for red and make them a bit brighter. I also like to make the orange a bit darker. Now I wanted to make my subject a bit sharper, so I only need to select the man. To do that, you need to add a new mask and select the subject using the Select Subject option or by carefully using a brush. Try and use the Select Subject and hopefully Lightroom selects it correctly. Great, now I can modify the settings only for the subject. I'll do it by decreasing the temperature and sharpening it by adding sharpness. I also like to make the grass a bit blurred to put the focus on the subject. To do that, I add a radial gradient mask, select my subject, and then reverse it. Now I'll decrease the sharpness all the way down and also decrease the clarity a little bit. In the end, I apply a Vinytane preset to make the photo more dramatic. Cool, it looks good to me. Now let's see the before and after by pressing the backslash button. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more Lightroom tutorial. Until next time, keep creating and capturing those amazing moments. See you in the next video.